Si Buwa na nag-prepare ng kakainin namin. Tingnan nyo ang handa ni Buwa. Oh, happy birthday!
Thank you.
Actually guys, na-late ako. Oh. Ito yung ginawa ni Buwa na yogurt. Oh. Na-late ako. Si Buwa guys ang nag-prepare. Tapos ito yung kakainin namin. Sandali, mag-iinit muna ako ng ulam. Guys, ginawa to ni Daddy na yogurt. Busog na guys, simple lang aming breakfast. Masarap. Gumawa ako ng atsar kagabi guys, papakita ko sa inyo. So guys, ito po yung natira namin kagabi na sad. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ito yung ginawa ni Buwa na yogurt. Mangga, chora ang tawag dito, yung flat rice. Masarap yung nabili ko, sobrang lambot. At ito guys, ang ginawa kong atsar kagabi. Isa sa mga paborito kong atsar nila. Binoiled ko lang tong patatas. Sa next, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kasi na-busy na ako kagabi. And then may green peas na frozen ako nilagay. Cucumber, carrots, tsaka may iba pang mga spices. Alo, atsar ang tawag dito guys. And ang gusto ko kasi nito, fresh lahat guys, ang atsar na ito. Yung patatas, binoiled ko lang siya na half-boiled. The rest, fresh na pati sibuyas, cucumber, green peas, then more lemon. So, yan yung alo atsar nila. And may sesame seeds, yung masala, and fenugreek seeds. And cumin seeds. Yan lang guys. Tapos chili, konti, and coriander. Very simple lang ito guys. Sa next ipapakita ko sa inyo. So ayan, tapos na kami kumain. And it's time na para magninja na ako dito. So ayun guys, mamaya ulit. Yan na silang dalawa, oh. So ayan guys, tulong-tulong na andito Sangyam bro. Sangyam bro, say hi first.
Hello everyone. How are you?
It's been a long time,
Yeah, it's been so long.
Yeah, so andito Sangyam bro kasi busy siya ngayon, wala siya work. So yan yung mga handa natin, simple lang. Yan si Indira, tsaka si Auntie. Second hi! Ito na si Indira. You call now Mandira. Where is she now?
Mix here, Mila. This another one also mix here.
Yeah, you want to mix? Yeah, it's okay.
No, you will.
Birthday wish for Deepak Day? Birthday wish for Deepak Day?
Deepak Day, I wish you get better photograph every year. Wish for more and more success.
Thank you, Sangyam bro. Excuse me,
Yes,
any message for your best sati?
Best Sathi, brother. What to say? Snore more. Make more video like that, and I can, cut the clip and make meme. Yeah.
That is your wish.
For my wish is be happy always.
Okay. And you?
Long live the friendship and
More in the jungle.
yeah, that's what I like.
Yeah, that's what I like. And you, bye?
Stay positive and motivate.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
You know the saying goat, the goat.
What is good?
You don't know?
Greatest of all time.
Yeah, goat. In football, Messi is goat, no? And in motorcycling, Valentino Rossi. So in bird photography, Mr. Deepak Buratha is the goat.
He's the only one photographer in Nepal who win Wiki Love Award.
Wiki loves Earth. He's very lucky to get.
No, not lucky. His photographer is very good.
So, ayun guys. Ayun, and sa loob, pasok tayo guys. Nag-wish lang sila. Yung tatlo guys, oh. Yung tatlo guys, umiinom sila guys. Yan sila guys, tatlo yung isa nagtatago. Si Auntie, ayaw niya pakita, umiinom siya. Yung isa guys, nilagay niya na nandun sa coffee cup para hindi daw siya makita. Tama ko sa kanila, nagutom na sila, yung cake na lang. Naantay namin. Ito naman sila, oh, si Uncle. Sila din babay. Yan yung mga kambal. Yan. Let's punta dito. Yan na. Daddy! 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 Oo na! Take care, bye-bye, yeah? Take care. You guys, thank you for coming. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Bye-bye, good night.
मिलेन है एकचोटि राजस्थानमा थियो हम नाच्ने
2 o'clock. Ayan, uwi na sila, oh. Ha? Take care. Bistar, ay.
Don't worry. Thank you. Very much.
Ayan.
साँच्ची तिमीलाई त बोलाउनु पर्छ नि है
Uwi na sila.
तिमी चावलसम्म छोड्दै चावल ठ्याक्कै त्यो पुलमा छोड्दै पुलबाट त पकाउँछ मजाले
Buksan natin yung gate. Uwi na sila. Muulan. Alas 9 na pasado, guys. Uwi na sila. It's raining. Oh. Paano for you? Better you wear raincoat. From here, how many hours your house?
45 minutes.
He will wear the uniform. Kasi umuulan. Kaya suotin niyang kanyang uniform. Maganda yan, no? Kasi nakamotor sila. Hindi naman sila nakainom kasi magdadrive. Bawal dito.
He bring the birthday gift.
Aba, may birthday gift si Sangyam. Later, unboxing. Ayan.
Very useful gift for monsoon.
I know him. I'm guessing it. Yeah.
I hope this is lens.
That's what Buddha Turkey demand me.
Oh, lens, no lens.
But I still hope this is lens.
That's for lens.
600 mm.
Okay, boss.
2.8.
Gift. Sangyam bro, 600 mm. Gift. Let's see. Take care, ah. Uniform. Going to school now. Going to school.
Still from school.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Nauwi na sila, mga bisita. Ito naman si Sangyam.
हामीले भने बेला आउँदैन बोलाउनु पर्छ
Bye. Take care, bye. Bye-bye. 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 Uwi na sila. Tara na, let's go na. Lagos ko ang sound namin. Guys, nagpapatugtog sa taas. Sabi niya, angkol hanggang alas 2 daw yung party. Namatay na tuloy yung ilaw.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this
Guys, so, mukhang naliligaw na siya pag napipilinitan siya. He will wash his face with the water. Tapos iinom siya, then he will dance again.
He's waiting for the sun.
Ha?
He's waiting for the sun.
Kasama niya na stress na. Auntie is getting stressed.
Let's go, but he's only.
Oh, yun o, inom. Basta na siya, oh. Sayaw na naman siya, tapos sayaw na naman siya. Ganito yung rule niya parati. Sayaw na naman siya. Sayaw na naman siya. Maliligaw na naman yan mamaya-maya. Guys, uuwi na sila. At alas 11 na dito. Uwi na sila. Bye-bye, auntie, ha? Take care. You will walk only, right?
Yeah.
Take care, ha? You will drive or you will walk? Yeah. You're alone, not married. Bye-bye, Buwa, Daddy. Take care, Uncle. Thank you. We have to lock from down. Take care, ha? Uwi na sila. Uwi na sila, guys. Gabi na sila, oh. Ilalak mo dito. La, bye-bye. Take care. Oh, hala, natumba pa si Uncle. Oh, natumba. Walk na lang, auntie. You walk. Auntie. Walk, walk. Hala. Hala. Oh, nag-drive pa si Auntie. Sa kanya wag siya mag-drive. Bye-bye daw. Maglalakad lang sila. La, bye-bye! Bye-bye! Guys, hindi na siguro ako makikita. Sandali pa ilawan ko muna. Ayan. So, ayun, umuwi na silang lahat. Tsaka si Mandira, si Indira. dito matutulog sa amin. Ayan, no? Lumabas pa siya dahil nagbanyo. Tapos si Yuan, ayan, tulog na. Napagod. Yan si Indira, oh. Say hi, Kanchi. Galing siya sa labas. Dito siya matutulog sa amin. Tapos umuwi na si Mandira tsaka si, auntie. Tapos bukas magkikita kami ulit. So si Indira dito na siya nagpaiwan. Tsaka ayun, ako din napagod, luto. And very simple our get together. But next time our games because no time. Because everybody loves. Yeah, ha? Yeah, only games will do for Indira in Mandira. What is the name of that game? Who's likely most, I think. Yun ang ipapag-games ko sa kanila kasi may nag-request dyan. May nag-comment dyan na who's likely most kung tama ako. So, sisters yan. Sisters vlog. So, nag-agree na silang dalawa. Pero sabi ko, be honest. At saka kailangan yung talagang galing sa puso nila kung sino talaga sa kanila parati yung pilya. So, ayun. Baka gagawin namin pag hindi na sila busy itong week. No, we are not sure when we will make. Yeah, kasi dapat today but everybody is busy dancing only. We are planning to have games but non-stop dancing. Buwa also. No? Buwa. Ay, grabe. So, nakita nyo naman siguro yung video. So, ayun guys, matutulog na kami dahil ako antok na pagod na ako guys. Pero okay lang. Anyhow, success yung aming birthday party. Tama lang yung food namin. Tama means may sobra, hindi kami kinulang. May sobra pero yung tama lang din na pagkasobra na may pang-ulam pa kami bukas. At yung spaghetti ko ubos. So, ayun guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Good night. Good night. Yuhan already sleep. He's too much tired. Si Mister nag-filter ulit ng kanyang mga pictures. And ayun guys, tsaka matutulog na kami. And good night. Maraming salamat sa mga wishes niyo ulit. And see you ulit sa next nating vlog. And I love you all and God.
Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all good. I'm back after a long day. It's been a busy day here. So I'm starting my college from next week, Monday. So more busy than these days. So stay safe guys. I'll be back to you again next time. Today I'm going to wish my dear brother Deepak Dai a very happy birthday message from Australia. It's a bit late because I have worked this morning, so I come back this now. Finally, happiest blessed birthday to my brother 2022. Though I was not there in 2022, hope you celebrate more than 2021 last year. So happy birthday.